You will hear a man booking a tourist tour. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. You can see that there is an example that has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Hello, Mr. Smith. How can I be of assistance today?
Good morning. I would like to book a tour to Sydney.
The man answers the question. Tour to Sydney, so the word Sydney has been written on the top of the form. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully, and answer questions 1 to 5.
Hello, Mr. Smith. How can I be of assistance today?
Good morning. I would like to book a tour to Sydney.
I can help you with that. What would you like to see?
As much of Sydney as possible. What are my choices?
There are a number of choices. What type of tour would you like? A pedestrian tour, or bus tour?
I think I'll choose the bus tour.
There's a hop-on hop-off bus tour that takes you around to the Harbour Bridge, the Opera House and the Queen Victoria Building.
I think it's a good option. Is there a set timetable for the tour?
No. The buses run in a loop around the city all day.
And what hours do the buses operate?
They run from 7 a.m. in the morning until 9 p.m. each night.
That sounds nice.
Yes. And the closest stop is just 20 meters out from here, at the front of the hotel.
Now listen, and answer questions 6 to 10.
What ticket types do you have?
We have 3 ticket types. The first one is called minimal, and it is the cheapest tariff. It costs only $15 and you can use such ticket during 2 hours.
Oh, I want to see as much of Sydney as possible. Do you have full-day tickets?
Yes, sure. The next ticket type we have is standard. It's the most popular type. This pass costs $30 and lasts all day.
This sounds nice.
We also have a premium ticket. You can buy it for $55. This pass lasts all day and includes free drinks and snacks during your trip. And you will be provided with an audio guide.
I think I'll buy the premium ticket.
Great!
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.